Holy Spirit, breathe on me. Wake my heart from apathy. Set a fire deep within. Break the chains of sloth and sin. You have called me to the field, to be faithful, never yield. Hands to labor, heart to pray, strength to serve you every day. No more sleeping, no delay. I hear your voice, I will obey. Grace is calling, rise and shine. This is my appointed time. I am spirit-filled and diligent, empowered by the one who sent. No more laziness, I run my race, focused by your grace. Spirit-filled and passion, filled with bold and confident, with holy fire in my bones. I will build your throne. Where you send me, I will go. Plant the seed and watch it grow. Not by might, not by fame, but by power in your name. Every talent you have given, I will use it for your kingdom. Multiply the work in me, till your glory all will see. Shake off slumber from my eyes. Let devotion fully rise. Harvest ready, fields are wide. By your spirit I abide. I am spirit-filled and diligent, empowered by the one who sent. No more laziness, I run my race, focused by your grace. Spirit-filled and passionate, faithful, bold and confident, with holy fire in my bones. I will build your throne. Awake, oh sleeper, I am rising. Lead, filled with power, Holy Ghost fire. No more excuses, no more fear. Your spirit makes my path